Hello y'all, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. I skipped a few steps. I went ahead and got the bad port off. I got the board and port prepped. So we literally just need to get the port on and solder it into place. Let's go ahead and dig in. Alright, now we gotta get these posts soldered in. I like to do the, I don't know, I call it the feeding method, where you feed a solder to it. Alright, it's the final outcome on the posts. And that is the final outcome on the pins. Notice how the solder goes all the way through the board on the post holes. Alright, let's bolt it up and test. Take care of that liquid metal displacement.